What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how to palm spin. Before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up first and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe. If you guys have a gym, you know, with a little block before you guys try outside. I mean, you could practice outside, but I'll get to that. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Okay, so the first step is you want to find an object that's really low. Maybe not like this, but really low where you can jump over it. Because you don't want to find an object that's too high because you're going to have trouble. So just start finding an object probably lower than this, guys. Probably about maybe your knee, whatever you're comfortable with. But I prefer starting it really low, guys, since you're starting out, just so you get the feel of it. Now you got to find out which way you go. I'm going to be teaching it. I go on my left. So if you go the other way, if you use the other hand, if you go this way, you do everything I say except your way. So if you want to go at it at an angle, you know, you can't go at it straight, but go at an angle just because you're starting out. It's going to be easy for you. Then you're going to run however you want to do it, comfortable place. Run at it, at the obstacle, bench, whatever. You're going to put your hand onto it. So your right hand's going to be grabbing like this. Your left hand's going to be grabbing like this. Your arms should be a little bit slightly bent, you know. You don't have to have it straight out, you know. So you're going to run at it. You're going to jump and grab onto it. And then after that, when you jump, you gotta bring both your knees up. So let's go back to it slowly. You're gonna run at it. You're gonna jump at the obstacle and grab onto it. You should be jumping up and over it. A good exercise for this is, if you're really scared, is you could just practice jumping on top of it like this. And you just go around like this. Just so you guys can get the feel of it, to get over the fear before you guys commit. So after you bring your knees up and you place your hand, you should be jumping around. You should be turning your body too around that way, kind of like a circle. So I'll just do a slow one. So when you bring your knees up, at the end you should let go of your left hand, guys. So you should be facing backwards, guys. You should always be landing on the ball of your feet. Your knees slightly bent. Try to keep your chest up, not too low. And your left hand should be out, and your right hand should still be onto it. Also, you want to kind of push off at the end a little bit too. So like I said, the only good progression for this is starting off really low, guys, and just starting off like this. Just jump at it like this. Go around like this. Until you're really comfortable, guys. Until you're ready to commit. Other than that, this move, it's a lot about momentum. The faster you run and the higher you jump and put your hands and turn your body while bringing your knees up around, the easier this move is going to be. So I'm going to show you guys one last time. Alright, hopefully that helps you guys out. Leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.